Today I want to show you 4 different outfits, and we're going to match up manicure with them. You can also do your pedicure same as you're going to do your manicure. This is really cute. Ladies, you know how we love to mix and match outfits. I've worn this shirt before, like 3 or 4 times with different pants. I haven't worn these pants yet. And let me show you the other 2 outfits, then I'll get started on the nails, and you can do the nails as same as you do your toes. Your toes as same as you do your nails. Okay, and these are the other 2 outfits. This is a dress, and it has some coral and navy blue. I'm going to wear that bag and those shoes. And this is a 2-piece. It has like burgundy and gold top and the little pant. I like the way they're made at the bottom. So we're going to do like the shiny patent leather shoes and purse with that. And let's grab some fingernail polish, and I'm going to show you one design that works well, that's classy, and it works well with any outfit. It's just different colors. Okay, so for the first outfit, we're going to use these 2 colors. It's like a taupe or mauve, light mauve and a navy blue. And then we're going to use black and white for the second outfit. Then we'll get to the 3rd and 4th outfit. So what I'm going to do, just to show you this video so it won't be too long, people don't like watching long videos, I'm going to go ahead and do the first outfit on this hand. I have no fingernail polish on there. And the second outfit on this hand. Then I'll take it off, do the 3rd outfit on this hand, the 4th outfit on this hand, just for this video. But of course, when I wear these outfits, I'm going to actually do my toes and my nails like this. I had another video on YouTube, but I really don't know what was wrong with it. It was flagged as age inappropriately, and I really can't figure out what was wrong with it. But YouTube have their guidelines, so there's nothing that I can do about that. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly... when I polish my fingernails, I don't put a top coat on first. I just polish and then put my top coats on afterwards. This is a really pretty color. I usually do 2 coats. So I'm going to go ahead on and put the 2 coats on with this and start doing the black and come back and show you the decorating part. So we have the taupe or the mauve on, and I can get a little brush after I finish and clean up around my little cuticle edges. So I'll start with the black on the other hand. This black is really like thick. Whatever brand this is, I don't even have to do a 2 coat. Wet n Wild. I'll really only need to do 1 coat. So I'll go ahead and do the coat and come right back. Okay, I got the black on this hand and that color on this hand. This is going to get this blue. Now, I'm going to just go ahead and freehand my French manicure tip line on a few of these fingers. When I'm actually doing my pedicure on this right hand, I'll have them all plain mauve, this color. But on this right hand, I'm going to actually just do these 3 with the French tip. And I'm going to freehand it because I'm pretty confident, pretty steady-handed with this. If you don't want to freehand, you can get some of these brushes, these sponge brushes. You tear a little piece off of it and you kind of just brush the fingernail polish on the brush, and you use it to make your line. I'm not going to do that today. So and I'm going to do something actually different with the black. I think I'm going to do polka dots to match the pearls. I have a Q-tip that I took the tip off of, and I'm going to use this end for my polka dots. But let me go ahead and make my manicure line here. I love to decorate my ring finger. That's a must. just like decorating the three. The pointer, the middle, and the ring. And look how classy that is. And I'm going to follow up with the top coat. And as that's drying, let me show you how I do my, I'm going to decorate a few fingers with my polka dot. I'm going to actually pour some of this white gel, Kiss Gel Nail, onto this aluminum foil. Then I'm going to take my Q-tip that I took all the cotton off of the end. And I'm going to just dip the end of it. Just dip the very end, the very tip. I want to make sure that everything is no cotton to be. I hope I got all the cotton off good. But anyway, let me go ahead and make a few. I hope they turn out right. Maybe I should do this end. It looks a little better as far as having all the cotton off. Okay, that's better, I think. Ooh. And I only want just like a few polka dots. See? And then I think on this, I want to put some on this. On the pointer. 4 there. And I might skip that middle finger and go to the pinky. Might just go straight up and down the pinky. So I'm going to add a top coat. I usually like to use both of these together. Pro FX, that's at Walmart for about $4. And Sally's Beauty Supply for about $5. I like to use this one first and then this one, especially on my toes, because when the two of them, when I apply them together, they form a really hard, high gloss shine that's very durable. But today, since I'm doing like 4 quick manicures, I'm only going to use the Satchvite top coat. That works too. It'll last you for about 1 or 2 days. But if you put both of them together on your fingernails, it'll last you for about 4 or 5 days through washing dishes and washing your hands. But if you put them on together, they'll last longer. But it's still gonna give you that high gloss shine. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting the top coats on, showing you how they look against the outfits, and jump right into the other 2. Alright, we have our top coats on. Everything's all nice and glossy. You see that gloss, that high gloss shine. So let's go see what it look like up against the outfits. Outfit number 1. I think it works well with outfit number 1 and outfit number 2. The polka dots against the pearls. So let's jump right on into outfit 3 and 4. Okay, so I'm going to start taking these off and jumping into, let's see which ones we're going to use. We have the gold, and I thought I had a burgundy. Okay, this is the coral, and we're going to have to use the navy blue again for the coral. And let me go and get that burgundy. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start taking off this manicure I just did. And I'll be back. Taking off the black now. I know I said I was going to do everything the same, but I think I might, as I go, whatever kind of design. I don't know many, just simple lines or circles. I might try to do something a little different. Okay, so this is the closest that I can come to that burgundy color. This color is actually kind of like a darker color that's kind of inside the flowers. You'll see once we go back to the outfit with the final results. So we're going to use these 2 and these 2 One on one hand, one on the other hand, and a top coat. I guess I'll start with this one first. See how many coats. This is Avon. So I use all kind of different fingernail polishes wherever I am. If I see one, I'll pick it up. I used to have a problem where I couldn't go nowhere without buying fingernail polishes, but I had to I had so many I had to stop. So I'm going to go ahead and finish polishing, and I'll be back with the day. I'm actually going to go ahead and polish both hands. So I got this hand all polished, and I'm going to start on this one. Now this polish here, I actually mixed it. I needed coral one day, and I mixed, I want to say, I looked it up, I can't remember. I want to say I mixed, I know it was yellow. I want to say yellow and pink and got coral. It's kind of on the light side, so I don't know how many coats of this I'm going to have to put on, but I'm going to go ahead and put at least 2 coats on anyway, and I'll be right back. Now for this gold, since this is a Art Deco brush, and I think I want more than just art lines, or maybe I should just put some in there. I was going to actually use this brush and do some type of a pattern or design. Let's see what I could do with this. Let me get that gold on there real good. I'm going to put it on. Okay, we'll just do that side for now. Kind of wonder if I can go halfway. Yeah, we'll do half, and I'll clean that up. So I'm basically just putting this at an angle so it can be like half on half of my finger. See? And I think I'll do this one too. This is definitely going to need some, require some cleanup from the brush. And I'll show you that as well. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the blue. The blue, I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to clean up around my edges with a brush and some fingernail polish remover. In the meantime, let me go ahead and do the blue. Then we'll do the top coat and show you against the outfits. What am I going to do with the blue? Probably just a regular, classy French tip that you can wear with any outfit, any color. It's going to always look elegant and classy. And with that outfit, the 2 outfits that I have, they're like so colorful, flowers. You can't really do too much. It has to be something simple, plain, and classy. So that's what we have for that, and this is what we have for this. Let me get my cleanup going for you. Okay, so we're going to take some fingernail polish remover and a brush, just a regular makeup brush, and I'm just going to actually just take off what's on my skin. And it's not that much. I don't know if you can see it. See, we had a little cleanup there. All right, so I'm gonna actually, it's gonna pour that back in there, but I'm just pour it on here. And the only thing that I need to do now, guys, is just give myself a high gloss shine with the top coat. When you put that top coat on, it really shines. Look at this one compared to this one. This one is not really shining that much yet. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other hand and hold them against the outfits. And don't forget, you could do your hands and toes all the same. I was just showing you on different hands because I really didn't have time. I wanted to show you 4 different styles and 4 different outfits, and I didn't have time to like do my hands and toes. Take it off, do it again, take it off, do it again. So I just want to show you really quick how quick and easy and elegant and classy a simple French style manicure could be with using any colors. It doesn't just have to be white. And this is fast drying. Dries in like 2 minutes or less. So let's go see what it looked like against the outfits. And here we go. Look at that. It's nice. And let's see what the last outfit looks like. Nice. And there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.